Today we have here the VW Tayron model year 2025 equipped from the factory with a Harman Kardon sound system. And if you find the bass a bit too weak, we'll show you in 5 minutes how you can upgrade it. Welcome to ARS24, your specialist for car hi-fi. Today we're bringing you a video installation guide for the VW Tayron. Regarding the time estimate, I think I lied to you. We actually only need 2 minutes to swap out the subwoofer here. It's really easy to do. This VW Tayron comes from the factory with a Harman Kardon sound system, and it's equipped with a subwoofer that's installed in the spare wheel well in the trunk. The original factory installed subwoofer is in this vehicle. It's a 16 centimeter 2x8 ohm bass speaker in a plastic box, and it's even a sealed enclosure. That means for such a large vehicle, the diaphragm area is too small and the box isn't optimally designed either. That's why we have two awesome solutions here, both of which are really fun. As a super cool solution for a subwoofer replacement, we have two subwoofers here from Option. The first solution, designed as plug and play for easy replacement of the original, allows you to keep the spare wheel, of course. This is the ROG 8T8, featuring a 20 centimeter extra flat bass speaker equipped with a neodymium magnet, and thanks to the bass reflex port, this subwoofer delivers much more. Volume and low frequency extension. This solution already represents a huge improvement in the bass range and is much more enjoyable than the original. But if you say, okay, I don't really need the spare wheel or emergency wheel, I can do without it to get more bass, then of course the Drive 10 flat BRP D8 is the obvious choice. The main difference here is of course the size. Naturally, it has much more volume. It's also a bass reflex box, a box made of wood. And inside there's a 25 centimeter extra flat subwoofer installed, which is very high quality. By installing this subwoofer, we've achieved a huge gain in the bass range, so a huge difference compared to the original, and of course an even bigger difference. Compared to the ROG 8, you've now heard the term D8 as a variant several times, and that refers to the impedance of the subwoofer. Both subwoofer enclosures have a D8 subwoofer integrated, meaning they both have a dual voice coil with 8 ohms each. That's why they have that designation at the end, D8. We deliberately chose these variants because the original factory amplifier and the original factory subwoofer also operate with an impedance of 2x8 ohms. This way, we perfectly adapt to the conditions of the Harman Kardon system and the vehicle. And of course, the whole thing is 100% reversible for leasing returns. Because with both subwoofers, we naturally have a plug-and-play connection. The ROG 8 doesn't require any adapter for connection. You can use the original plug. For the Drive 10 flat, we provide you with the appropriate adapter for the Harman Kardon system. I'd like to add something else. There are already customers, or rather, drivers with this vehicle who have already ordered subwoofers from us. Specifically, that's the ROG 8 D4, meaning the D4 version with an impedance of 2x4 ohms. And it does work. However, it can happen that at higher volumes and with bass-heavy music, the amplifier briefly goes into protect mode and shuts off. This becomes noticeable through a quiet clicking and clacking sound in the subwoofer. However, this is sometimes barely noticeable, and as already mentioned, it only happens at full load and with very loud music. And that's why we chose the D8 version in this case for these two subwoofers, so we can fully enjoy the Harman Kardon system and listen as loudly as we want. If you currently have the ROG A8T4 in operation and probably haven't even noticed what we just described with this clicking, you can of course just leave it as it is and enjoy your music. As mentioned, it's only noticeable in extreme cases. However, we chose this D8 version because it's really fun and we simply can't run into that situation with it. Now we're going to replace the subwoofer together, specifically this version A with ROG 8D8, where the spare wheel can remain in the vehicle. And it's actually really simple. The subwoofer already has the plug-and-play connection. That means the original connector can be used. We just need to open the cover here, unscrew the subwoofer, unplug the connector, and install the new subwoofer. Then we just plug it in, screw it tight, put the cover back on and enjoy the music. The ROG 8 is now installed. we're done with the installation. So this can really be done in no time at all, and the bass is definitely on a whole new level now. Now we're going to install version B together, the large subwoofer, the Drive 10 flat, and for that, of course, the spare wheel has to be removed. Let's continue together now. Installing this subwoofer is just as easy. The spare wheel has to be removed. Of course, the mounting bracket for it is included in the package. It goes in exactly the same spot where the old one was. With this subwoofer, we provide you with a connection adapter, meaning the adaptation from the original VW plug located in the trunk to our subwoofer connection. And here you will also find two slots. One is the upper slot with phase 0, and the other is the lower slot with a 180 degrees reversed phase. In this case, we use the upper slot and nothing else that comes with the subwoofer package. In this case, the upper slot is the correct one. We determined this through measurements and, of course, through sound checks. You can simply try using the lower slot as a test for yourself. In that case, the phase of the subwoofer is rotated by 180 degrees relative to the front system. Usually, you can hear that there will be a bass cancellation. Everything will sound a bit muted. And you can actually hear that the upper slot is the better one. It's also recommended to connect the subwoofer plug right now before we screw in the subwoofer because it becomes difficult to reach afterwards. We're finished at this point with the installation of both subwoofers. As you saw, it's really very easy. Everything is 100% plug and play, can be reverted for leasing, and is very easy for anyone to do at home. There are already a few posts in forums about this sound system in the VW Tayron, and now we've made this video to round everything off and complete it. And of course, you are welcome to share it and exchange your experiences there. We would of course appreciate your feedback. How you liked it, we'll of course do the sound check in a moment, but first, just so you can see visually what we've done here and what kind of improvement we're talking about, we've prepared something for you. A graph visually presented with 3 different measurements. The blue line represents the original Harman Kardon subwoofer. The yellow line is the Rock Art D8, and the pink line above that is the Drive 10 flat. You can clearly see the difference between blue and yellow here. That's simply the straightforward replacement, which of course allows you to keep the spare tire. Here we have peak performance, meaning an increase of up to 7 or 8 decibels. And after that comes the real highlight, our Drive 10 flat. And it can actually deliver up to 10 decibels more, just to give you a better understanding and a sense of what this increase can actually mean. So when we talk about an increase of 6 dB, that means double the volume. That's how it feels, that's the perception here. In the vehicle, it feels like double the loudness. So you can imagine what it means if you have up to a 10 dB increase. And now we'll listen together to what it means to upgrade a subwoofer like this in just 2 minutes and what difference it actually makes in the sound check. Time. Now I got full of kids where I get what? Wow. Yeah, well, what can I say? So you can't hear it, but I can hear it and I can feel it. It's incredible what this subwoofer swap has done here. Now, listening to music is really fun. It completely envelops you. You can feel it and sense it. You can definitely hear it. It's a huge improvement over the original, and I'm sure you'll perceive it the same way I do. Of course, as is often the case, you can't really notice it during a sound check on your phone, but in practice it's a whole different story, and you'll experience it for yourself at home. With this simple plug-and-play replacement of the original subwoofer, we've completely upgraded the Harman Kardon system. Now it's a well-rounded result, and listening to music, is really fun now. And thank you very much for watching. See you next time when it's once again about enhancing a vehicle's sound system